Hello everybody, I'm Claude Rustom, a senior consultant in Microsoft Dynamics applications. My goal with these videos and posts is to provide educational content on Business Central. Please think about following, liking and sharing my post on LinkedIn, as well as subscribing on my YouTube channel BCwithClaude. Thank you. Our today's session is related to analysis, how to analyze data in Business Central on lists and queries. We will see some small examples in Business Central. See you in the demo. Thank you. I took the decision to make this video because every time I'm trying to communicate with my customer and asking them if they are using it, the answer is no, or we don't know about that. I know multiple customers know about that but they didn't try it, and I know that multiple consultants know about that but they are not telling the customer that this functionality is available. Let us demonstrate it today and let us check what is the power of this functionality in Business Central on every list available in Business Central. Let's go. I will go to customer ledger entry. In the customer ledger entry, it's a list. Usually we can export to Excel, we can filter, but now we have this small functionality named Analyze. Once you click on it, the table change, the UIs will change, and here you will see all the fields available in this page. Now, to begin with, to simplify the things, I will try to select customer number here, and I will select document number. I will select amount, and I will select the remaining amount. Here, what can I do in addition? I can take the customer number and do a group by. When I do a group by, you will see that this customer will have two transactions. This customer has one, this customer has 117. Now, what can I do? I can add another layer under the customer number, and in this case I will go and see the transaction inside the drop-down. Also, what can I do more is to add a filter from here, the nav filter, but also you can add a filter by here by doing, for example, a range between 01/01/2024 and 06/30/2024. In this case, automatically the system, as you can see, filtered on this range of date. Now, if we go back, once we go back and we close, we will try again to open the customer ledger entry. The filter is available here and we can see it here. Now we will go back and we will clear the filter, and we can go back to the columns. We can click on pivot mode. Once you click on pivot mode, you will see here the values. Here we will have multiple columns. Let me go and remove some of these columns, and also what we can change here the sum, min, max. Now what we will do, we will add the posting date as a year, and I will add the month. In this case, the system will give me 2019, 2020, 2021, and once I click on the 2019, I will be able to see the month then the sum of each month. Also, what can I do also is to rename the report. And here you can duplicate the report. You can copy a link and share it with your colleagues. By copying, you can copy and you can paste it by Teams to anywhere. Also, you can delete all. And in case I have multiple reports, I can arrange my reports. Then move to left, move to right. What can I do also? What I did now on the page on the customer ledger entry, but also I can add here, for example, a query 265. If I have a pre-built query in Business Central or a customized query, also I can do the same report or type of report. By doing the same type of report, I can have, for example, sum of quantity, sum of remaining, and if I open the item, I will see quantities available in each location. This is a nice to have functionality in Business Central. Please, if you have any question, send me a LinkedIn and I will be very happy to answer you and help you. Thank you.